tacos that you dip into the braising liquid? Yes, please. This is Birria Tacos in a pressure cooker. Add the most beautiful roast, dried guajillo peppers, diced onions, crushed tomatoes, beef broth, chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, spices like chili pepper, paprika, oregano, black pepper, cloves, a bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and garlic. Are you excited yet? Mix it all together so it's evenly combined. And then it just cooks for about an hour and a half in the pressure cooker. Then remove and shred the roast and strain the braising liquid. We're not done yet. Corn tortillas get dipped into the consomme and pan-fried, folding in the spiced beef with cotija cheese. It's just layers and layers of deep flavors and spices of all types. Luckily, this recipe makes a large portion so you have plenty to enjoy thanks to delicious, nutritious beef.